All the Crestron podiums have a DVD player. Some of the Crestron podiums have a Blu-ray player, international DVD player, and a Laserdisc player. Each one of these additional players will have their own menu buttons on the touchscreen interface. To begin, press the DVD button that corresponds with the player you'd like to use. A new menu of buttons will appear that will enable you to control playback. Press the Open/Close button to open the DVD tray. You may now be able to use the controls on the touchscreen to play, fast forward, rewind, pause, and stop. To access more features, press the menu button. If you'd like to directly skip chapters, press on the numpad. To control audio, press the volume button on the side of the touchscreen. In rooms with a microphone, you will need to press Program. Then press and hold up, down, and mute to control the volume level.